Most people don't realize this, but your website can look cheap even if your work is high-end. And the problem usually isn't your brand, it's how your website is structured. Here are the 5 things that instantly make a website feel low-end, and how to fix them. The first is inconsistent spacing. If everything on your site feels cramped or uneven, it immediately creates a sense of visual noise. Even if your colors and fonts are beautiful, poor spacing makes everything feel unrefined. The fix is simple: more space between sections, more breathing room around text, and consistency across every page. The second is too many styles competing, multiple fonts, different button styles, colors used inconsistently. When everything is trying to stand out, nothing does. A premium website feels controlled. It uses a limited set of design elements repeated intentionally. The third is weak visual hierarchy. If your headings, subheadings, and body text all look similar, the visitor doesn't know where to focus, and when there's no clear focus, people don't read. They skim, and then they leave. A strong hierarchy guides the eye. It makes the website feel effortless to move through. The fourth is template misuse. This is a big one. A lot of people are using templates, but they're not using them properly. They're adding too many sections, removing key structure, or trying to customize everything at once. And the result is a site that feels pieced together instead of intentional. A well-designed template already includes a structure that works. The goal is not to fight it, it's to refine within it. And the fifth, and most important, is lack of restraint. High-end design is not about adding more, it's about knowing what to leave out. When a website tries to say everything at once, it loses clarity and impact. A premium website feels focused. Every section has a purpose. Every element earns its place. This is exactly why we design our luxury show it website templates the way we do. They're built with spacing, hierarchy, and structure already in place, so your website immediately feels more refined, without starting from scratch. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build the entire site for you, so you get a fully elevated brand presence without the trial and error. If your website feels off, even if you can't quite explain why, it's usually one of these 5 things. And once you fix them, the shift in how your brand is perceived is immediate. You can explore our full collection of luxury show it website templates below.